Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto by YouTube channel. Inside this video, I just found amazing news about the Pi network. There are lots of good news about the Pi project, especially about the decentralized exchange, the liquidity pool, token creation. So further, we will check some other news. Founder just reposted a tweet. Let's check what things we can find inside this video. One thing I should tell you, this is one of the best video of the Pi network because in here I will show you a strong update about the Pi network, update about the Pi project. The pioneers will get hope because big things are coming in the future. Things are going behind the scene. What just happened with the OKEX exchange, with the Pionix exchange? The withdrawal just suspended. So watch this video, share this video with everyone, and now let's get started. If you are new to this channel and you want to get more videos about Crystal Project, Pi Network, meme coins, cryptocurrency, crypto updates, then make sure click on the subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload a new video. So this is the first update. After years, finally, the Nicholas just reposted on their Twitter account. This is, I can say, after years. It means that now the Nicholas, just online, back to working on the Pi network, talking about the Pi ecosystem, talking about the Pi updates. Here you can see, this is the thing. Nicholas reposted. We just announced a game-changing update for the Pi network ecosystem. The first thing is Pi decentralized exchange, automated market maker, liquidity pools, token creation tools, now live on Pi testnet. This is the big update about the Pi network. And after years, you can see that Nicholas just reposted this tweet. So I can say the founder just back with the Pi network, founder just back online in the internet talking about the Pi network. The thing is, here you can see Dr. Nicholas just announced a major step forward for the Pi network. New DeFi features are now live on the Pi testnet. It's only available inside the Pi testnet, not in the mainnet. So after, I can say, a few weeks, after months, we will see in the mainnet where everyone can use it. Everyone can use the decentralized exchange, the liquidity pool, the token creation. The fastest Bitcoin layer 2 pre-sale project. 21.4 million raised in the pre-sale project. Is still some few stages remaining, and then we will see exchange listing. All season coming this month. You can see the market is green, all coins green. So the thing is, the link is below description if you want to purchase this pre-sale project. This is the first Bitcoin layer 2 pre-sale project in the market. The decentralized exchange is coming in the future, the wallet, explorer, the bridge, staking, and the meme coins. Ecosystem is very strong. Teams are very strong. If you want to get 100x profit in the future, go with this pre-sale project. Make sure check the website. Make sure check the video already uploaded inside my YouTube channel. So in here you can see, this is the announcement. New DeFi features arriving on the Pi. DEX, liquidity pools, and token creation are now available on the testnet. So although I will show you the article that available inside the official website of the Pi network. So the third thing, this is, I can say, somehow whether bad news, whether good news, whether something is coming. So major exchanges, OKEX, Pionix, have just suspended Pi withdrawals. It means that the pioneers cannot withdraw Pi coin, with no official announcement yet on when withdrawals will resume. So for now, there is not any update whether when the withdrawals will resume, when we can withdraw our Pi coin from the OKEX or the Pionix. So this can be like sudden move has sparked and speculating among pioneers. Somehow pioneers might be worried about this because if they cannot withdraw their Pi coin, they might think that this is another scam in the market. This is another rug pull in the market. But might be something, some big things are coming. You can see in here. So possibly technical upgrades, liquidity adjustment, or coordination efforts with the Pi network mainnet. This can be, or might be. So some integration steps or exchanges prepare for large scale transitions. This might be like because of this exchanges just suspended the withdrawal of the Pi network, or somehow I can say the technical upgrades. So don't worry about this. Your Pi coin is safe. Your Pi is safe inside exchanges. You don't need to worry about this. Might be some upgrades are coming in the exchanges, some large transitions. So there will be some different things that going behind the scene. We don't know about that. So the thing is, we have to be patient. We have to wait for things are coming. Like this is the big update. Here you can see this is the big update. Okay, before that, let's check this update. Here you can see. So the hackathon has now entered its final phase, marked by impressive participation. Over 2,100 developers from more than 100 countries have joined, and more than 150 live applications are already deployed on testnet or mainnet. So here you can see this is all the application inside the Pi ecosystem. 150 plus decentralized application are ready in mainnet. Many are still in the testnet. So checking the Pi network ecosystem, checking these updates. Pi network looks very strong. Teams are working, Piners are working, everyone is working for the Pi network. This is the main thing about the Pi project. If you check other project, like for example, Ethereum, Solana, or I can say XRP, you know, the holders are not working. The holders are not working for the ecosystem. Only the teams are working. But the Pi network, you can see the pioneers, the holders, the people, the developers, they are working for the ecosystem. This is, I can say, one of the unique thing of the Pi network. So for the long term, Pi network is one of the best project. Especially, for now, I know the price is moving sideways, falling down, not a big volume, not a big liquidity, but you don't need to worry about that. If you just mine the Pi network since 5 years, since 4 years, wait for 2 years more, 3 years more. You will be in a huge profit in the future. And thanks me later. Okay, so now let's check this article. This is one of the best, I can say, best update. Pi decentralized exchange, auto market maker, automate market maker, liquidity pools, and token creation features now live on the Pi testnet. So checking this update, checking this article, roughly I will tell you about the update. We don't need to read this article. If you want, you can check it yourself. You can read line by line. So the first thing is decentralized exchange. The decentralized exchange is coming where you can swap any token. Same like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, some other decentralized exchange. If you use PancakeSwap, if you use Uniswap, if you used any other, you know what is decentralized exchange. Automated market maker. This is the liquidity pool functionalities. For now, it's available in the testnet. But of course, after a few weeks, months, we will see in the mainnet. So in here, for now, you can swap tokens inside the decentralized exchange. This is only for the testnet. Even about the market maker, the liquidity pool. So this is the one thing. The decentralized exchange is coming, available in the testnet, the first thing. And then about the liquidity pool features. Liquidity pool is one of the main thing inside the ecosystem, inside the project. So the second thing is you can swap any token inside the decentralized exchange. Like for now, using the Pi test, not the real one. The Pi test, you can check everything inside the decentralized exchange. So, and then token creation. So later on, everyone can create token inside the ecosystem. But for now, in the testnet blockchain, you can do it. You can test it. Just creating your token with a Pi test. So in here, you will check everything, all the steps. Because in the token 2049 event, the founder just discussed about this update. Discussed about the decentralized exchange, the liquidity pool, the token creation. So in here, now the pioneers, the developers can create the token inside the Pi ecosystem. This is another big achievement. So further, building on Pi is for infrastructure. So this feature support the vision of empowering developers and even non-technical pioneers creating AI-powered applications with Pi App Studio to launch their own tokens for genuine use cases, whether for in-app functionality, community participation, or system-level services. So this is what three big updates like decentralized exchange, liquidity pool, token creation. So first of all, The developers can just create or launch applications inside the ecosystem. And for now, they can create token. So step by step, developers or the founder of the Pi network is step by step developing unique thing inside the ecosystem. Still, if you don't believe on the Pi network, what can I say? So this is all about the Pi network. What think about this? Let me know in the comment section. Share this video with everyone all over the internet. Everyone should know about this big update of the Pi network. Hope you get this video. Smash the like button. 21 time high. Still did not subscribe to our channel. Make sure click on the subscribe button. Hit the bell icon to get notification while I upload any video. This video is end up in here. Till the next video. Goodbye. See you.